Hello there and welcome to this channel, Kikuyu Language Marathon. I am your pal, Dongo the friend. I would like to state right from the word go that this channel has got nothing to do with the Kikuyu culture. Let me just repeat that. This channel has got nothing to do with the Kikuyu culture. This channel is dedicated to teaching how to speak, read, and write in Kikuyu language. It assumes that you have zero knowledge of Kikuyu language. So, you can breathe in and relax as I take you through this journey of learning Kikuyu language from scratch. Today we are going to learn about the Kikuyu alphabet. The Kikuyu alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. They range from A to Z or Z as we know them. The Kikuyu alphabet also makes use of the English alphabet. However, it does not use the whole range of the letters as found in the English alphabet. The Kikuyu alphabet does not use the following letters from the English alphabet. These letters are F, L, P, Q, S, V, X, Z. So these are the letters that are not included in the Kikuyu alphabet. Let us see them again. F, L, P, Q, S, V, X, and Z. They are 8 letters, thereby leaving us with 18 letters from the English alphabet. However, the Kikuyu alphabet also adds 2 other letters. These 2 other letters also form part of the Kikuyu vowels. These 2 letters are this one here and this other one here too. We will learn about their sounds or how they are pronounced later. So now, the full Kikuyu alphabet is made up of 20 letters as shown here. So far so good. But there is something I would like you to note about 2 letters in the Kikuyu alphabet. These letters are D and J. These letters are never used alone in the Kikuyu language, but they are used together with letter N as shown. D is used together with N and J is used together with N. So always remember that. Alright, thanks for watching today's lesson and let's meet again in the next lesson. Please go over the lesson again so that you may master the Kikuyu alphabet. If you have found this lesson to be beneficial to you, kindly subscribe and remember to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. You can also tell us about what you think and your expectations in the comments section. Remember to like the video and invite all your friends and the people you care about so that we may learn together. Until next time, It's bye for now.